Good afternoon. I am Dr. Dhruti Shukla. I am working as an assistant professor in Akhyaati Institute of Science. Here I am teaching plants genetics, plant physiology, tissue culture. I did my PhD from NBRI, National Botanical Research Institute, Lucknow. I did my PhD in a plant physiology, where I selected gibberellic acid to upgrade the seed production of plants. For the same, I took the different concentration of gibberellic acid and different shades for the research. I followed some step for this research. Like I prepared the different concentration of gibberellic acid. I prepared three different concentration and solution form, that is 100 ppm of gibberellic acid, 200 ppm of gibberellic acid and 300 ppm of gibberellic acid. I had given the pre-shocking treatment to sheets in this different concentration. Few sheets I dip in 100, few in 200 and few in 300. I had given overnight pre-shocking treatment to these sheets for 15 days. I used to give the treatment. Second day I dry them. Again I give this shocking treatment to them. This way I did 15 days, and then after completing this process, I grow these shades in the farm. At a time, I take 4 sets of shade. One, simple shades, all simple wheat shades were there. Second, I took that second set with the 3 part having the pre-shocking treated shades, where 100 ppm, 200 ppm and 300 ppm. So this all the 4 sets at a time I grow in the farm, here in the Gujarat University farm. Then I started to take the data of their growth. Like all these shades were started to grow in the sapling. Then after from which set that maximum growth was there, from which set that maximum vegetative growth was there. This all the data I started to take, and I make a table out of that, and I did the comparison among these 4. After completing that, after the comparison part, I come to know that in the pre-shock treatment, that 100 ppm concentration जो दिया था in gibberellic acid, where the maximum growth was taken, in the plant, maximum vegetative growth, maximum reproductive growth of that plant, and maximum seed production was there in that 100 ppm gibberellic acid treated plants. And generally in one simple plant at a time 30 to 40 seeds are growing out of one spike. But if we are giving this pre-soaking treatment in the seeds, out of that plant we are getting 60 to 70 seeds at a time from one spike, from one wheat plant. So at a time we are increasing the growth in the shade production, and this can lead, and this can give the good output in agricultural research. We can grow the production part with the help of this gibberellic acid. And we can also use different other hormones for the same, but my major work was with the gibberellic acid. And with this I conclude my work with maximum crop production in wheat plant and some of the flowering plant, and which increase the agricultural production. I represent 2-3 research paper for that, for the same, and one of my poster was appreciated by National Science Congress. Thank you very much for the patient listening.